What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Polygon in the past few days has been retracing along with the wider market. From what we can tell, Bitcoin is currently trading at around 35k and it's been retracing slowly from 40k for the past few days, which is what, in our opinion, has been leading Matic essentially to be trading downwards. As we can see, we did get the bearish cross of the EMAs, as we can see here. So we have been seeing some downwards price action, but it does seem as though we're bouncing in and around this 170 level very nicely. As we can see, it does look as though we may be double bottoming here. And it depends, it really does in the short term remain to be seen what Bitcoin's going to do, because Bitcoin is obviously leading the market heavily right now. So it's very difficult to know what's going to happen in the short term. But obviously in the long term, we're extremely bullish on Polygon, and we do think that it's probably going to hit $15 to $20 by the end of the bull run, which we still think is on, and we still think it's probably going to end in around September, October, November time this year. Although it may be delayed now because of the massive capitulation we've seen in the market today. There may be some kind of reset in the market which leads to everything running up for a bit longer than it has. But we do think the downwards pressure for Bitcoin is going to end sometime soon, because obviously these whales that are manipulating Bitcoin don't want to keep the price down forever. And we do think that Bitcoin is being heavily manipulated right now. Make no mistake about it. It seems as though whales are constantly selling a massive amount of Bitcoin at 40k to keep the price down, and the price keeps getting forced down lower and lower, basically to keep the prices cheap. And it seems as though institutions are scooping up the dip, along with whales, from what we can tell from on-chain analysis. It seems like, from what we can see, that essentially whales and long-term holders, people with lots of money and people that have really old wallets, are all buying the dip, whilst everyone who has newer wallets tends to be selling, which shows that they're just trying to shake out the weak hands. And that's why we're seeing this downwards correction again for Polygon here. We obviously got an absolutely insane bounce. This is one of the most incredible bounces I think I've ever seen, of around 223% in the space of a few days here, as we can see, in between the 23rd and the 26th of May, which had this massive bounce to the upside. And now it seems we're cooling off again, with Bitcoin leading the market down. So it seems like we're finding a really good amount of support in this area here, where there's a lot of structure and previous structure, support and resistance, as we can see. So it seems likely to us that Polygon is probably going to continue to perform very well. Obviously, if Bitcoin continues to go down in value, excuse me, I've got a little bit of something in my throat today. If Bitcoin continues to go down to value, we could be looking at this 150 level again as a decent support zone. And we do think that Polygon is going to continue to perform very well indeed. So we're looking for Polygon basically to find some kind of support. We've seen that it does seem to be finding a good amount of support in this level at 170. But if it does break down below this, then we will be looking at this 150 level, we think, as a very nice support. There's a lot of support historically in this area, as we can see, and it's obviously a good psychological number that the price can bounce off of. But it really does remain to be seen in the short term what's going to happen because of Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin, as we say, is leading the market right now. So if Bitcoin heads down, we could be looking at this macro blue trend line as strong support, which is going to be around 135 if the price action heads down to around here. But if Bitcoin does get a bounce and breaks through that 40k mark, we do think that Matic is definitely going to head back to its all-time high at around 270, and definitely head to $3, $4, or maybe even $5 in the next month or so, just because Matic, there is clearly a huge amount of demand for this crypto. As you can see, this bounce, my goodness, my lines. As you can see, this bounce from the downside that we saw wasn't absolutely incredible. And we may see something like a coiling pattern for Matic, as we can see here, where it essentially goes like this and maybe forms a bull flag. Let's just outline this so we could potentially see what's going to happen. So yeah, maybe we form a bull flag like this, potentially with the macro trend line, as we can see. Or if we just draw it from the bottom here, we maybe could see something like this, where Matic comes back down, retests these lows somewhere in this area, or bounces around in and around here for a while, comes back up and retests, and bounces to the upside like this. But considering the amount of demand that we're seeing for Matic, it's probably more likely that it'll come down and retest these levels because Bitcoin is heading down right now. And then we'll probably get a bounce to the upside again, and basically have like a pattern like this where we're just making higher lows and higher highs and just trading upwards in some kind of channel. Basically in some kind of pattern like this, where we trade up in a channel like we did previously for Matic, when we were trading upwards in a channel like this as well. So we're very bullish on Matic, obviously. We think this is going to be an amazing crypto. $15 or $20 by the end of the bull run doesn't seem unlikely to us at all, considering the amount of demand that we're seeing for Matic currently. It's quite honestly performed insanely well since the start of the year. It's up well over 100x. I think at the all-time high, it was up just an incredible amount. I think it was like 1 or 2 cents at the start of the year. Let's just take a look at January the 1st here. Oh, please, my tools. Yeah, up around 17,400%. So this is a project that has performed exceptionally well this year, and we don't think that it's done now by any stretch of the imagination. We do think a 10x from now is easily possible, which would take us to around $17. So that's our price prediction for today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap that like button now. Currently, only 20% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. Like, comment, and subscribe to be in with a chance of winning a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You could quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.